Hey, good day, my YouTube family. You're welcome back to Convisi Farms, your organic farming channel. And new subscribers, you are welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start your own organic farming. Trust me, it's a beginner's guide. Even if you've not done organic farming before, this video will help you to get started. Are you ready to grow your own organic food, but you don't know where to start from? Here is the right channel for you. Whether you have a backyard garden or a small farm, organic farming can help you to grow healthier crops without chemicals. And in this video, I will show you the step-by-step method on how to get started with your own organic farming, even if you are just a beginner. Now, what is organic farming? Organic farming is more than just avoiding chemicals, trust me. It is about working with nature to grow healthy and sustainable crops. And instead of using synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, you can use compost, you can practice crop rotation, you can practice companion cropping, and you can also use natural pest control. Trust me, the result of using organic farming is a nutritious food, a healthier soil, increased soil yields, and a farming method that is better for the planet. Now, let's get into the practical steps to start your own organic farm. The step-by-step guide to start your own organic farm is number one step is choose the right location, choose the right soil, choose the right sacks and containers if you're going to go into sack and container farming. Good soil is the foundation of organic farming. Make sure you get the right soil. Then you go ahead to test your soil's pH and the nutrients level. Ideally, loamy soil is best to use for organic farming. You can also use humus soil. But if your soil isn't perfect, you don't need to worry. You can as well improve your soil by using compost and organic manure. Remember, a healthy soil will give you healthy crops. Then step 2. Use organic fertilizers and compost. Instead of you using chemical fertilizers, make sure you use organic manure. The secret to healthy crops is compost, organic manure like kitchen scraps, cow dung, chicken and goat manure, and green manure. This green manure is also the plant-based manure. These natural fertilizers enrich the soil. It improves plant growth and it retains soil moisture while keeping your farm chemical free. Now, the step 3 is for you to choose the right crops. When starting your own organic crops, make sure you start with crops that are easy to grow organically in your region. Some great options in Nigeria are the tomatoes, the pepper, the ginger, the green vegetables, yams, potatoes, carrots, and groundnuts. They require minimal maintenance and they are perfect for beginners. Step 4. The natural pest control methods. The truth about organic farming is that it has a challenge of pest disturbance. But there is good news. And the good news is that there is a natural solution. Organic farming uses natural pest control like neem oil, garlic spray, crop rotation, and companion planting. Like for example, planting basil near tomatoes keeps insects away naturally, and this is called companion planting. If you are interested in knowing the other natural pest control methods on how to make them and to also know the different types of insects or pests that this natural method can kill and eradicate. Then the good news is I wrote a book on the best organic pesticide for small scale farmers. Here on the screen is the title of the book, and I'll put the link in the description box below and in the comment section on where and how you can purchase the book for yourself. Trust me, it's very affordable, it's very helpful, and it's purely natural and effective without harming your crops. You can make it yourself or you can purchase it from an agro store close to you. Now the step 5 is water management and mulching. Organic farming requires smart water management. You can use the drip irrigation to save water, and you can use the normal hose method. Then for sack and container farming, make sure you water moderately, do not over water. Then apply mulch like straw or dry leaves or dry grasses, or you can buy the mulching sheets. Mulching helps to retain soil moisture, and it also helps to control weeds. Then the common mistakes to avoid while practicing your organic farming is overwatering. Now let's talk about it. Most beginners make these common mistakes of overwatering, and when you overwater, it causes root rot and fungal disease. Make sure you only water when needed. 2 of common mistakes that beginners make is poor soil preparation. Skipping composting leads to weak and nutrient deficiency plants. Take note of that. Number 3, not using breathable sacks. If you use an airtight sack, what you planted might get rotten. Then another common mistake is not using containers that has drain holes. Another common mistakes that beginners make in organic farming is ignoring pest control. Make sure you always monitor your plants for pests, and when you notice any sign of pest attack, make sure you take action early with natural solution to avoid destruction of your crops from pests. Now, in conclusion, is that now that you know how to start your organic farming, you can start your own as soon as possible. And trust me, you're going to enjoy it because it is simple and easy. You don't need to break a bank to start your own. Please, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more organic farming tips, and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Don't forget, you can also purchase the ebook on the best organic pesticides you can use in controlling pests naturally on your farm. Just go to the link below in the description box or the comment section. You'll find a link that will direct you to where you can get your own. It's very affordable. I would love to hear from you. Please drop in the comment section below on what crops you are planning to start growing organically. Let's chat in the comment section. And thank you for watching. And God bless you. Take charge. Bye, and see you in my next video. If you've not watched my other videos, you can go and watch them and learn how to plant tuber crops and start your own small garden. Bye bye.